Kim.
Hold on, remain simple. Hold on.
There's some more breaking news this afternoon, Kim, out of New York. This is a Southwest plane at LaGuardia Airport. We understand it lost its front landing gear, and now we have this picture provided. You can see the nose of that aircraft on the ground there on the tarmac. We haven't heard of any injuries right now, though emergency crews have surrounded that Southwest jet. Again, LaGuardia Airport, New York City. Outside New York, we will be staying on top of both these breaking stories, bring you updates right here.